What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? All right. I like to get up every morning, come outside, take, just take it all in, you know, get some fresh air, and just be thankful for life. All right. Now, it's beautiful out here. Well, today, what we're gonna dive into is pretty much. I want to talk to you guys about, you know, pretty much not being afraid to make connections, not being afraid to go on social media and use that thing what it's intended for. Especially IG. IG is a very, very powerful tool. But before I get into that, check out my intro. Alright, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take y'all into my DMs on Instagram and show you like the type of messages that I get and the type of companies that try to like reach out with me and do work. Now, I can honestly say the past month alone, 30 days per se, whatever, 40 days, I don't know. I've done business with companies I've never done business with before, excuse me. And that's just based off of taking chances, man. I always take chances, y'all, because you never know. You never know. I'm always looking for something new for my brand. So, I'll spend a little bit of money, and excuse me if I offend anybody by saying a little bit of money. Now, I'll spend $100, a couple $100 on a sample to get something made, just to test out the quality of the product and actually see if I want to, do long-term business with any of these companies. So right now, like I said, I got some things in the works, and hopefully everything is copacetic. But let me get into these DMs and I'll break down, why you shouldn't be afraid to use Instagram or any social media platform, to get things done, man. We got to take chances, y'all. So I'm going to show you some of these messages that I get. All right. And if y'all want to go with some of these companies, go ahead. I mean, I don't own them. I ain't making no money off of them. So y'all do what y'all got to do with them. If y'all want to use them, go ahead, use them. If not, so be it. Stick to what you're used to. All right, so let's get right into it. All right, y'all. So it looked like this first company tried to hit me up recently. Account name Leonardo on Instagram. It looks like they specialize in patches and stuff like that. It looks like, they was doing a sale, Black Friday sale. So they wanted to reach out to me, I guess, because they see me, posting patches up on my page, via the hashtags and stuff like that. So this is how these particular accounts find you. They might follow hashtags or whatnot, and they're just looking out for people to do business with. So this guy tried to send me a message. I mean, obviously I didn't respond because I don't need his services right now. All right. Now that's one. Okay, now here's another company that tried to reach out to me. Another IG account. I mean, obviously I didn't respond. And the name of this company is Blue Way Export. So, they might do this too. They might overload, your DMs with a bunch of pictures or videos or the stuff that they specialize in. This guy sent me a bunch of this company rather, sent me a bunch of pictures of like hoodies and sweatshirts and stuff like that. Sportswear and track suits, a bunch of stuff. It was like so many pictures. It was just overwhelming. So if y'all want to check them out, make sure y'all check them out as well. Don't be afraid. I've never had dealings with them, but they reached out to me. They saw my stuff, so it's worth a shot. Here's another one, y'all. IG account called USA Manufacturer Clothing Wear. Now, I don't know what y'all be talking about, man, when y'all say, "Hey, man, who's your manufacturer? How can I find a manufacturer?" Look, I'm just showing y'all my DMs, man. It goes on and on. So look, in the message, they letting me know what they can do for me. It says we are a manufacturer exports of finest quality in fitness wear, gym wear, cycling wears, sports wear, including sublimation, shirts, t-shirts, polo shirts, sweatshirts, leggings, sports bras, baseball shorts, all types of stuff. So if y'all need any of this stuff, like, check them out. You know what I'm saying? Like, people will come looking for you if you putting out the right stuff and you're asking the right questions and you're just doing your work. So here we go. All right, y'all. And then there's this type. They'll send you a message just, saying like hello or something like that. How are you? Just pretty much waiting for you to respond. All right. There's no reason for me to respond. I see their profile. I see what they do. I don't need their services right now. Okay. But the fact that, they're reaching out to me pretty much tells me that, they see my account and maybe they think they can help me out or they just want to make money. All right. A lot of these companies hail from like overseas markets like Pakistan, as you can see, or China or whatnot. Like, you don't really get that many US manufacturers because I guess they figure, hey, if anybody needs us, they'll just come find us. We don't have to reach out to them. All right. So there you go. Another one. All right, y'all. I'm going to end it with this one because, by this point, hopefully y'all get the point. This IG account is called Clothing Brand 738. Looks like they're another company out of Pakistan, that was looking to do some business. They try to send me a nice little message, but once again, I don't need their services. But if I did, I wouldn't be afraid per se. And this is what this video is about. I wouldn't be afraid, to contact them back and say, hey, listen, I'm looking to get this made. How much is a sample? What can you do for me? Blah, 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 blah. Because at the end of the day, if I'm trying to get something done, I got to take shots. I got to take chances, man. And I'm not afraid. So I will use IG or any other social media platform to get the things done that I need to get done. All right, y'all. So that's it for this one, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell, like I always say, so y'all don't miss no content. And just go out there and get it done. Don't be afraid, because if you got to look at it like this too. Like a lot of the brands that we look up to, the Nikes, the Adidas, I don't know, the Reeboks, whatever, man. I don't know, the Supremes, the LRGs, the Polos, whatever. They not specifically going to tell, they not going to jump out the window and tell you guys who the manufacturers are or where they getting this stuff made. If you're smart, you'll be trying to find that information yourself via, looking at their clothing tags or whatever. Now, believe it or not, a lot of these big brands are getting their items manufacturers in the same shops that you can get yours manufacturing. Man, you just gotta do your research and just find them, man. Find them. You might stumble across a gym one day, man. You might stumble across a factory that is doing work for a major company in the US that you look highly up to, and you wouldn't even know unless you actually go out there and take chances, y'all. Take chances, baby. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to use these social media platforms. And don't be afraid to dig in your pockets and spend a little bit of cash. All right? Till next time, like I always say, hope y'all working on your brands. I wish you nothing but success and choose your own path. Let's get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.